Good morning, grade 4. This is Miss Susan. Today's episode is about find and draw line of symmetry, lesson 10.6. And the most essential question here:
how do you find lines of symmetry?
how do you find lines of symmetry? Let's start and see. Hello, Fox.
Hi there! It looks like workers just put a stop sign here. You know, traffic signs are really important. Did you know the outlines of signs are polygons? Can you name the type of polygon that is outlined by the stop sign? Take a closer look.
Oh, let's see.
The
How many
stop
sides do
sign
we have
is an
here?
octagon, and it has 8 sides. Hey, did you know the shape of a stop sign can be folded in half?
Of course, can be folded from here and here and here and
I
also
wonder in
here.
how many ways this octagon can be folded in half. How many lines of symmetry does it have? Maybe we can use dot paper to find out. What do you think? Come on, let's find out together.
Let's find lines of symmetry in polygons. Polygons have different lines of symmetry depending on their shape. How many lines of symmetry does each polygon have? Let's unlock this problem.
Okay, so our duty today is to figure out how many lines of symmetry can cut any shape into similar halves. So, according to polygon, we have many types of polygon. We have triangle, quadrilateral, and we have octagon, we have pentagon, we have hexagon, heptagon, nonagon, and decagon. Of course, we have two types of polygons. We have regular polygons and irregular polygons. So according to that, we have to identify how many line of symmetry for each polygon. Let's figure out.
The chart shows some shapes and the number of sides they have. If the shape can be folded so the two parts match exactly, there is a line of symmetry. First, let's look at the triangle.
Of course, not all the triangles can come in this way, but this type of triangle called a regular triangle. Why? Because it has 3 equal sides and 3 equal angles. So in this case, how many number of line of symmetries are there? So, can you imagine line symmetry here, diagonal one? Will it fold it into exactly matching parts? Yes. Can you imagine another one here from this vertex to the base here? It's also a diagonal one. Can you imagine it? Will it fold it to two matching parts? Yes. Another vertical line of symmetry. Will it fold it to two matching parts? Yes. Now, how many line of symmetry did you count? 3. So, let's check if it's 3 or not.
The triangle can be folded 3 ways so the parts match. It has 3 different lines of symmetry. For the square, you'd find...
Let's check the square. First, you can fold it horizontal, and you can fold it vertically, and also you can fold it diagonally from this side and from the other side. Right? If you fold it like here, it will give you 2 matching triangles. So, how many line of symmetry do we have now? 4. Let's check out.
It can be folded 4 ways so the parts match. It has 4 different lines of symmetry. Now, let's look at the parallelogram.
And by the way, also the square here is a regular shape. Let's check the parallelogram. Parallelogram is irregular shape. Why? Because maybe its sides are equal, but its angles are not equal. So let's check out how many lines of symmetry do we have. Can I put a vertical line of symmetry? No, it will not give me two similar sides. Okay, make it horizontally, also the same. So, make it diagonally, it will give you two similar triangles, yes. This other diagonal, yes. So, just two. So, it's not the same number of sides here, because it's not not regular shape. Maybe. Let's
The
check out.
parallelogram can be folded two ways, so the parts line up exactly. So it has two different lines of symmetry. What about the rhombus?
Rhombus also is a regular shape. So let me check out how many lines of symmetry do we have here. Will it be four, like regular shapes, or will be less? So, can I fold it vertically? No. Horizontally? No. Diagonally? Yes, we can. It will give me two similar triangles. And the other diagonal also. It will give me two similar or matching triangles. So also we have two lines of symmetry, like parallelogram.
The rhombus can also be folded two different ways, so the parts match. It has two lines of symmetry. How many lines of symmetry does the trapezoid have?
Oh, let me check out. Can I fold it vertically? Yes, we can fold it vertically. Horizontally? No. Diagonally? It's not similar. The other diagonal? No. So we have only one line of symmetry.
The trapezoid can only be folded one way, so it only has one line of symmetry. Finally, let's look at the hexagon.
Oh, I will say nothing about the hexagon. Let us listen together.
The hexagon can be folded six different ways, so the parts match. So it has six different lines of symmetry. The hexagon is a regular polygon because all sides are of equal length and all angles are equal. In a regular polygon, the number of lines of symmetry is equal to the number of sides. What other shapes in the chart are regular polygons? The triangle shown in the chart is also a regular polygon, since all the sides are of equal length and all angles are equal. The number of sides and lines of symmetry are the same. The square is also a regular polygon with four sides and four lines of symmetry.
So, to recap, any regular polygon, the number of sides is equal the number of lines of symmetry. So, it would make our life much easier. Let's see the next page.
Some shapes have no lines of symmetry, and others have one or more lines of symmetry. Make designs that have a given number of lines of symmetry. Let's make a design with no lines of symmetry. The design consists of a parallelogram, triangle, and a hexagon. Does it have a line of symmetry?
Okay, no line of symmetry means nothing matching at all. So, we have now three types of figures. Okay, they are not making any shape that you can divide it into two matching parts, right? So, can you put here any line of symmetry? No.
No, there are no lines of symmetry for this design. Let's make a design with one line of symmetry. This design consists of two triangles, two parallelograms, and two trapezoids. Does it have a line of symmetry?
Okay, make design with one line of symmetry. One line of symmetry means two matching figures, right? That's why he put two of everything around the horizontal line. You can put it vertically also, it will work. But here he put it all around the horizontal line of symmetry. So, if you want to put one line of symmetry, you need just two matching parts. If you need more, like two lines of symmetries, so in this case, you not need just two matching parts, you need four matching parts.
Yes, the design has one line of symmetry. Next, let's make a design with two lines of symmetry. This design consists of 4 trapezoids and a hexagon. How many lines of symmetry does it have?
Okay, I said if you
This
want...
design has 2 different lines of symmetry. Now, let's make a design with more than 2 lines of symmetry. This design consists of 6 triangles, 6 squares, and a hexagon. How many lines of symmetry does this design have?
Okay, let's say back. If you want to make 1 line of symmetry, you need 2 similar shapes, okay? Or 2 matching parts. If you need to make 2 lines of symmetry, you need 2 and 2, mean 4 in all, 4 similar parts or matching shapes. And of course, the regular polygon in the middle has many lines of symmetry. Make a design with more than 2 lines of symmetry. Okay, 2 lines of symmetry. You can put any number of polygons, regular polygons. Okay, to make a design with more than 2 lines of symmetry, you can use any regular polygon. So you can use octagon. It has 8 lines of symmetry. You can use pentagon. Pentagon has 5 lines of symmetry. Of course, regular ones. You can use hexagon. Hexagon has 6 lines of symmetry. You can use heptagon. Heptagon has 7 lines of symmetry. So, if you use any regular polygon, it will give you the same number of lines of symmetry is the same number of lines.
This design has 6 different lines of symmetry. How many lines of symmetry are there in this shape? Select your answer.
Okay, let me check out if I can fold it vertically or not. Can I? Yes, it will give me 2 similar shapes. Can I fold it horizontally or not? Yes, it will give me same shapes. Can I fold it diagonally? Yes, it will give me same folded shapes. Can I fold it the other diagonal? Yes. So now we have 4 lines of symmetry. So let me choose 4.
That's right. There are 4 lines of symmetry. The figure has lines of symmetry vertically, horizontally, and 2 diagonally. Now try your homework on your own with the personal math trainer. It includes the exercise you saw at the beginning of the lesson.
Thank you, grade 4. Wish you that you understood the lesson. See you tomorrow.
Thanks
Have a nice
for helping
day.
me find out how many lines of symmetry the stop sign has. See you soon!